Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Just a quick update on the chocho. I have chocho here. This is the biggest one so far. There's some others there, like that one up there as well, and quite a few hiding inside there. You gotta look carefully to see them. But the chocho is producing. We got chocho over this side here, baby chocho there, blossom male and female blossom there as well. On this side you can see baby chocha there, which is good. On the window, looking over there, you can see. So the chocha producing a lot now, and it's looking good, but you gotta look very carefully to see the chocha. There's one here as well. There's another one here, a big one here. So gotta look very carefully. They're hiding all around the place. So looking good. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.